Here's Fritz with this new car that I bought him at the yard sale for $1 the other day. Is that thing pretty cool or what? Oh, it's got lights, man. Here, let's make it go anyway. Here, can you push the button? Which one do you want to push?
That one.
This one? Got your Steelers shirt on today? Did the Steelers win today? No, Steelers lost. Can we go boo-hoo-hoo?
Boo-hoo-hoo.
Steelers lost.
Steelers lost.
Big bums. Okay. Why don't you push one of those other buttons down there? What's your favorite button?
The yellow button down here.
That one? What does that one do?
What these hydraulics?
Oh, that one's pretty cool. Is that cool? Sounds like a rip-off of the what song is that? Dun, 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 dun. Let's try another one. What's that one do? Oh, I think that's the one to take off. Whoa, there it goes. Uh-oh. What's it gonna do now? Oh, okay, just got a little bit. That is pretty cool, huh? Whoa, let's get the wrap. It's like the insane clown posse car. It does a wrap. Oh. Whoa. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. There he goes. Wow, there he goes. That is pretty awesome.
I want the old car down.
You want the other car down?
Yeah.
I don't like that car. I paid $1 for that thing, man. Come on. Which one do you want?
I want two blocks.
Which one?
I want two of them.
Two of them. Which ones do you want? You want the blue one? Let's play this one first. You're going to turn it on, right? How do we do that? Okay. You want to be the remote control guy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the remote control.
No.
Oh, wrong one. Hold on. There it is. Turn this one on. Alright, you ready? Uh-oh. Gotta turn it. I can't do this with one hand. Ready? Uh-oh. Here, you do it. You're the master. Alright. Whoa, where's it going, man? Good job. Oh, I wrecked into the water bowl. Alright, let's see what you can do. Oh, in the wall.
I'm gonna
Do it down here where it's dark. Here, can you turn around and face it towards me? Let's see you drive it towards me. I'm gonna get this on film. Oh, here, let's turn it this way. There you go. Okay.
This can go with me.
Whoa.
Stop it.
That one you gotta push the buttons, remember? You're gonna go like this.
I want the button.
What do you think?
I want to push the button.
You gonna push this button? There's no button to push. It's just running right now. Can you say hi, Mama?
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Pap Pap.
I want to see home.
You wanna see her? You wanna see your Mama? Do you miss your Mama?
I want to see her back.
You want to see her and you want to see Cousin Eli? They're not on here, buddy. They're on the internet.
Hi.
We're going to do it this way. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, this is already over 5 minutes. We're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. We're signing off from Portland.